How to buy TITO token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money over crypto. The best referral code simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. And now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. And now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. And now go and open your function wallet. As you can see, click on stop and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and click on I understand. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click in on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy TITO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.